Hello friends, welcome to next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting Program. In this tutorial, we will be signing up at Hackerone. Over here, we will be following the same steps as we did it in Bugcrowd. So, we'll navigate to google.com and we'll type Hackerone. Hit enter and search for the Hackerone website. Over here, we'll click on try Hackerone. There are two options, one for hacker and another for company. So, we'll choose hacker. Now over here, please fill in your details as we did it in bugcrowd.com. Now hit on create account. Voila, your account has been created. Please verify your email. Your account was successfully confirmed. Now let's sign in using our credentials. And here we are. We've successfully made our account on Hackerone as well. Now you can explore this account just the way we did in bugcrowd.com. Over here we can explore the programs, activity. This part will show you all the active vulnerabilities that you need to test in these websites. So some are paid, some are unpaid, but those which are unpaid will give you Hall of Fame. They are providing you some great bounty. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.